It's an honor for me to have a former Army commander, Lieutenant General Raj Shukla, with me on the podcast today.
What is Amrit Kal? It is this period over the next 3 decades where you must work hard to get your house in order so that you grow rich before you grow old.
Why it takes for us so long to do as basic ground activity as fencing the borders?
People say Israel has got massive national security challenges. May I suggest to you, we have got even grimmer national security challenges, even more than Israel.
Why our procurement processes are so long?
The Bangladesh inventory is 70 to 80% Chinese.
In a way, the Pakistani army is a mujahideen with it.
Absolutely.
Who has to come forward? Is it the industry? Is it the military? Or is it the PMO?
USA spends $975 billion on R&D in science. $700 billion come from the private sector. 700. यहाँ आप किसी प्राइवेट सेक्टर वाले से पूछो, बोलेगा सरकार. We are in the state that the Americans were in eagle claw.
Are you saying that we are 40 years behind the US military? Why can't we just go for a technology in our aircrafts which decides to go give us a source?
The technology, the equipment which travels to the soldier, sailor, airman in the field is not the best.
As a soldier, if I give you a toy or if I give you an ammunition, how long does it take to test?
When Deng says in 1980 that so what if the Middle East is oil? We have rare earths. He's galvanizing the nation to fine-tune, master its processing capacities.
What is the fundamental issue with us in China? What as countrymen we should be prepared for and develop ourselves for the next 20 years and 25 years?
Viksit Bharat is very much in your grasp, but it's not a done deal.
What is the strategic relevance of us having?
So America doesn't have 7 days of missiles and munitions for a fight in Taiwan. China can make 10,000 cruise missiles a week.
What is again our fundamental issues with Myanmar or with Nepal or with Bangladesh?
2003 to 2007, in all these emerging critical technologies, USA was the lone superpower. In 60 out of 65 technologies, it was number one. There was no close second. 2019 to 2023, China leads in 57 out of 65. 60-65 USA, 57-65 China.